Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making butterfly nail art. You can see the design on screen. For this, first I'm applying liquid latex around my nail. Let it dry for a couple of minutes. After it dry, take a sponge with purple and white color on it and dab it on your nail to create a nice gradient effect. Remove the liquid latex. Now I'm using a thin brush with black acrylic color and painting a small triangle in one corner of my nail. In the opposite corner, I'm drawing a curved line. Now I'm drawing three lines joining two corners. Add some curve to one end. Paint other nail also by using same steps. Now using toothpick or thin brush, paint some white dot above black color. Here's some final result. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.